If you like our video, click the subscribe button to subscribe to our channel and get easy access to new content. To see our full suite of ad-free video courses and training materials, visit us at teachucomp.com. Credit card accounts track the balances of business credit cards. You should create a credit card account in QuickBooks Online for each business credit card account. To create a credit card account in QuickBooks Online, click the Settings button in the QuickBooks Online toolbar. Then click the Chart of Accounts link under the Your Company heading in the menu that appears to open the Chart of Accounts page. Then click the New button in the upper right corner of the Chart of Accounts page to open the account window. Select Credit Card from the Account Type dropdown. Then enter the credit card account's name into the Name field. Optionally, enter a description of it into the Description field. To record a credit card account that has a balance as of a previous date, select a date choice from the When do you want to start tracking your finances from this account in QuickBooks dropdown. If you select the Other choice, then use the Select a Date Calendar selector to choose the desired date. For all choices, then enter the account's balance into the What was your account's balance on field. When creating new accounts with no activity, you can skip these fields. To save the account and close the window, click the Save and Close button in the lower right corner of the account window. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. Get ad-free courses at teachucomp.com.